Hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been forever. I've been busy with some life stuff, but hoping to start making some videos again here soon. I just wanted to make a quick one today because, as you can see here, well, I pulled the oil pan off of my third gen Camaro here. And I never really was able to find any good videos on YouTube on how exactly to do this, so I figured I'd, hey, make one. And it's really not as bad as it seems. It's a lot of work, but it's not as bad as some people make it out to seem. So first of all, I definitely recommend either getting like an engine support bar. This one's from Harbor Freight. It was like 80 bucks. You can also use like a cherry picker. That'll work as well. But the most important aspect is bringing the lift point on the far point of the engine, like on the furthest front as you can on the engine, so it has a lot of tilt to it. If you don't have that tilt, if you pick it up from like the center where like a cherry picker would usually, you can't get the pan out. I've tried it before, it just doesn't work out that way. You can also take like a 2x4 and pick it up by the balancer down there. I don't recommend doing that, but hey, go ahead if you want to. No one said that anything bad happens, but I just don't feel comfortable doing it. I would definitely recommend undoing your distributor cap at least. If you have a HEI, you'll definitely be hitting the firewall. With a normal distributor like this one, it's a little bit smaller, so you have a little bit more wiggle room. I just went right off of the header pipes here, and that worked out fine for me. Down below, down below here, okay, so down below here, I do have the transmission jacked up back there. Now, I don't believe it was necessary. I also undid the cross member, but I don't think that was necessary as well. Obviously, undoing the exhaust here, this is custom exhaust that I made. So if you have a stock Y pipe, it'll be different and so forth. But the main reason I took this whole deal off was I wanted to get that windage tray in there. When I built the engine, I didn't put a windage tray, and I've been having some oil pressure issues at high RPM. It's great, like 60 pounds of pressure all the time, like goes down to 40 when it's warm, so totally normal. Oil looks fine, nothing, no problems there. But once I hit high RPM, like 4,500 and above, my oil pressure just suddenly drops. Not to zero. I don't let it get that low before I get out of it, but enough for me to, well, do all this. So hopefully that solves my my issue there, and that's just I think they call it a Corvette windage tray, but it's like 15 bucks, so they're pretty cheap. You can get fancier ones, but this one works. Oil pump screen I also measured. I thought maybe it was a little too high or low, but it's dead on the money, so I have it right, and it's welded on there. So I was also worried maybe the pickup tube fell off. No issues there. But yeah, so I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys, show you that it is possible to take the oil pans off of these third gen Camaros without pulling the engine. You can see about how much we had to lift it up. No joke there. Yeah, you have to remove the engine mount bolts as well, obviously. Alright, well, I'm going to get this oil pan on, guys. Hopefully I'll be posting more videos here soon. Maybe take this Camaro down to the drag strip and see what she'll run. Thanks for watching.